Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good morning to everyone. Today in this video, we'll see where you can find this backup on Godaddy hosting account. See, I just logged into my Godaddy. For example, say if you have WordPress website and by installing the plugins or by changing the theme settings or whatever it may be, your site is not loading or there are some errors and issues on your website, and if you want to revert back or restore back to the previous backup available, first of all you need to find where does this backups available on Godaddy. You can actually call their customer care and take the tech support, and you can do it by yourself, but doing it by yourself needs a bit more technical knowledge. Means you should be double sure when restoring the website to the previous backup, because all the changes which are made after that backup will be lost. Okay, you need to remember that. So I am here on, okay, see here, you just need to visit this godaddy.com/products. So under your products, just click on web hosting and click on manage all. So we are trying to find the backup, so it will be under the hosting, so you need to click on website hosting. Yeah, see here the page has loaded. You need to click on this, whatever hosting you have, whatever the hosting you plan have, you just need to click on that particular hosting with respect to your domain name or the website. See here, there is dashboard and there is one option called backups. You just need to click on this backups. Once you click on backups, you will find this calendar option, and the date highlighted is where your backup is last backup, your website backup. And see here, this is where at this point of time, means on this particular date, on this particular time, your website has a backup on GoDaddy, and if you click on this restore, it will ask you to confirm the restoration process. Are you sure you want to restore to so and so date and so time? uh, this permanently overwrites any unsaved versions of the site. Means you cannot do undo this operation, so you need to make double sure about this step. Only if you are very sure about it, then only you can go to this restore option. See, all the changes which are made after this backup, this particular date and this particular time, you will lose them. So yeah, you can think, and if there is no other choice other than backing up to the previous date available, you can take the action, or you can reach to the customer care of GoDaddy and you can take the tech support from them. I hope you like this tutorial, and if you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comments. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.